From the industry's leading company in AV solution comes the latest in airport communication technology. Electronic Design is a Minneapolis-based audio and visual system integrator whose mission is to be our client's best and most complete resource for critical audio and visual systems. Using EDC's AV solutions provides the airport staff and passengers with improved efficiency, targeted passenger customer service, and most importantly, enhanced public safety. With years of experience in airports installations, EDC provides an integrated AV system that supports effective and efficient communications between airport and passengers. From airport announcement control systems to airport conference room AV, our team can design and install a myriad of complex systems. Whether integrating an existing system or incorporating it as part of a larger airport management system, EDC is here to streamline communications from arrival to departure. The sky's the limit. Contact Electronic Design Company to start your project today.